Hi and welcome to the Plan Collection how-to video series. Today we are going to learn how to do a quick search. We are also going to learn how to create an account and save favorite plans and searches. So to get started, if you would like to create an account, you can register. It's right up here. And provide your information, name, email address. You can create a password. And you can either check the box that you would like to receive the newsletter and exclusive offers or not. But of course you do, so we'll just keep that checked. Then you also want to click off whether or not you're a professional builder and confirm that you are not a robot. So once you do that, you'll be logged in. If you already have an account, you can go to log in. And as you can see, I already have one, so I will sign in. This is helpful when you find a plan that you like, but you're not 100% sure, and you want to save it to your favorites. So that's why creating an account is important for that, but you certainly do not have to create an account to search on our site. You can just go to the home page and start searching. So today we're going to do the quick search, and I'm going to look for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, and let's do 1,600 square feet to 2,100 square feet. And as you can see, we came up with 152 results. This is a good number to work with because it's not overwhelming. You can certainly narrow that down if you want, maybe by adding in garage bays, like that, and viewing the search results again. And that gave you 111 results. But I liked having a little more, so I'm going to remove that and just leave it as the original 152 results. You can also sort your results by most popular, like they are now. Newest, smallest, largest. I prefer newest, so that's what I'm going to do. And then you can start your search. So I'll click on this home plan. And this is what a plan page will look like. It'll have photos. It'll have plan information. So this particular home is 2,066 square feet. It'll have the bedrooms, baths, how many floors it is, garages, and width and depth, which is helpful if you are building on a particular size lot and with your setbacks, you may need to have a particular size home. So that'll help you determine whether or not this house will fit on your lot. Here is the house plan description and the floor plan. So you can see the layout of the home. This particular home has a bonus room or bedroom number 4, whatever you prefer. And then there's some additional specs and features. So you can see the type of roof it has, a gable and a hip. Special features such as the bonus room, a fireplace. The ceiling height is 9 feet. So all of that information is there as well. Past that is also additional notes from the designer. This is important. Sometimes designers have particular notes on plans. So this particular designer does not ship paper copies to Canada. So if you are a Canadian customer, please order your plans electronically, either a PDF or a CAD. Below that are our pricing options and the different sets that this particular plan comes in. As you can see, there's paper copies and also electronic copies for this one. And the pricing is there. And any additional information for this particular plan can be found here. If you really like this plan, but you're not 100% sure, and you'd like to see plans that are similar, if you'd like, you can scroll down a little further, and these will have other home plans that are similar in features, bedrooms, and you can click View All, and that will take you to homes that are similar to the one you are currently looking at. If you love this plan and you want to see more by this designer, you can scroll down a little further and you'll see other plans by this designer. and click View All, and you will see all of the plans on our website by this particular designer. You will also have a section of recently viewed, so homes that you've already looked at. I particularly like this plan, so I'm going to save it to my favorites. And as you can see, it was added. And then I'm going to go back and check out my search results and look at another plan. So I'm going to look at this one here. I like the style of this as well. And this particular home is 2,017 square feet. It's one floor. The width and the depth are there. It's got a 2-car garage. To view the images for this home, you can either scroll up and down using these arrows, or you can click Enlarge Photos. And these will make it a lot easier to see some of them. And then just click the arrows to scroll through. Sometimes on some computers, depending on your computer screen size, these might get a little cut off. So the third way of looking at photos would be this button here. That is Big Images. Just click on that. And this makes the images larger to see and easier just to kind of scroll through. So as you can see, the floor plan is nice and big. You can read it and see the different pictures. This is probably my favorite way to view the images because it just makes it so much easier to see and scroll through. So if you like this home, you can save this to your favorites, which I'm going to do. And again, here is the plan description, plan layout, additional specs and features, and additional notes from the designer, with also the sets that this particular plan comes with that you can order and the pricing. This home also, along with photos, happens to have a video. Not all of the plans on our site have a video. This particular one does, and the videos will give you either a video of the outside of the home so you can see all of the sides, or the inside, or actually both, which is really nice because then you can get a visual on what the home will look like built. So again, not all of our plans have videos, but this particular one does. You can also flip the plan photos so you can see what it would look like if you got it in the right reading reverse or like a mirror image, because perhaps you want the garage is fine there, but some people might need the garage on the right side. So then you get an idea of what that would look like. So now if you want to check your favorites and see what you have in there, you just go to My Account, View All Favorites, and then you'll be able to see there's the one we saved, there's the other one we saved, and then of course there's other ones that I've liked. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos.